Hey guys, are you want to buy best tire cleaners for shiny wheels? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best tire cleaners for shiny wheels that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Sprayable Tire Shine. Chemical Guys Tire Kicker is a versatile, water-based dressing designed for tires, rubber, vinyl, and plastic, both inside and outside your car. It restores a rich, deep black finish while offering protection from sun damage and fading. Whether you're detailing trim, engine base, or interior panels, Tire Kicker leaves behind a clean, non-slippery surface that looks fresh and professional. Unlike greasy alternatives, its formula delivers a long-lasting wet shine without the mess. Plus, it shields surfaces from harsh weather that can cause cracking or discoloration. Ideal for beginners and pros alike, Tire Kicker exemplifies why Chemical Guys is a trusted name in car care. With excellent performance, protection, and ease of use, it's a must-have for anyone looking to maintain that showroom-ready appearance. Now our second product is Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner is a powerhouse solution for removing dirt, brake dust, and tire browning. Specifically formulated to tackle heavy contamination, it restores your tires to their original black finish and revives wheels tarnished by heat, grime, and the elements. Safe for use on clear-coated, chrome, alloy, painted, and powder-coated wheels, it delivers fast-acting results without harming finishes. The high-foaming, alkaline formula breaks down silicone, waxes, grease, and old dressings, prepping tires for longer-lasting shine. Whether you're a car care beginner or detailing pro, this cleaner is essential for maximizing the life of your tire dressing and overall vehicle appearance. Adams backs their product with a 110% satisfaction guarantee, showing true commitment to quality and customer service. It's an effective, trusted staple for clean, like new wheels and tires. Our third product is Armor All Premier Tire Cleaner. The Armor All Premium Car Care Kit is a complete detailing solution, packed with everything you need to clean, shine, and protect your vehicle inside and out. It includes extreme tire shine, interior protectant, multi-purpose cleaner, wash and wax, glass cleaner, air freshener, tire and wheel cleaner, and a microfiber wash pad. The multi-purpose cleaner and protectant lift dust and debris, leaving interiors with a fresh, detailed look, enhanced by the Fresh FX Tranquil Skies scent. The glass cleaner easily removes grime and fingerprints for crystal clear windows. On the outside, the Ultra Shine Wash and Wax reveals deep paint color while the microfiber pad attracts dirt and bugs. The Extreme Tire Shine and Tire and Wheel Cleaner restore a brilliant, mirror-like finish to your tires. A top-tier kit for effortless, all-round car care. Now number 4, Glomax Wheel Cleaner. This wheel and tire cleaner is a powerful yet safe solution for restoring your wheels and tires to a like-new shine. Its fast-acting, acid-free formula cuts through grime, brake dust, iron, and road debris quickly without harming finishes. Safe for use on clear-coated, powder-coated, chrome, alloy, and painted wheels, it's tough on dirt but gentle on your rims. Whether applied directly from the included 12-ounce spray bottle or diluted in a foam sprayer, it delivers excellent results with minimal effort. Ideal for auto detailing enthusiasts, the cleaner not only refreshes the appearance of your tires and wheels but also makes the entire vehicle look more polished. With its convenient packaging and effective cleaning power, this premium product is a must-have for restoring and maintaining wheel brilliance. And our last choice is Armor All Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This wheel cleaner spray delivers a quick and effective solution for removing grease, road grime, and brake dust on contact. Its powerful formula penetrates tough buildup without scrubbing, revealing your wheel's original brilliance with minimal effort. Designed to be safe for all wheel types, including chrome, alloy, painted, and coated surfaces, it ensures a damage-free clean every time. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just want your ride looking its best, this cleaner makes wheel maintenance simple and efficient. Its universal fit makes it a versatile addition to any car care kit. With consistent results and a shine that lasts, This spray is a reliable go-to for keeping your wheels clean, bright, and looking freshly detailed. A solid performer for effortless wheel restoration. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.